I want to leave.
Vice Lord. Niggas don't want it, these niggas don't know me. I shoot you in your head, now you gon' rock a bye. Niggas don't want it, nigga, I be fly, reppin' Jelly to the fullest. These niggas don't want bullets, I hit you in your face, now you is a disgrace. You fucking with me, do I take you to the fucking big race? These niggas ain't on it, these niggas disgrace. Man, you fucking with a killer, you gon' meet a cold case. I ain't playing with no niggas, nigga, I am the realest. These niggas ain't on it, and I'm fucking with the killer on the motherfucking block, Chicago street. These niggas ain't on it. These niggas don't want beef. These niggas know me. I be up in these streets. I get my little cousin Tony, cause he told that heat. Don't forget about who. What about Willie? Man, we be on the block, up in the alley, but we don't play with you niggas. You niggas is snitches. If you snitch on me, then you mean your family. In the fucking grave, nigga. I don't play with niggas. I just slay niggas. I ain't Dragon Slayer. These niggas fucking obey me cause I'm the master. These niggas do not want it. They say, look at you rap faster, but I tell them that I'm on it. And your bitch really want it. These niggas ain't on it. If these niggas won't be, tell them I got chicken. These niggas ain't on it. And they bitches, they trip me. And I'm coming in, nigga. Can you get a $500,000? You can't get shit that I own. If you don't know hip hop, then I hit you in your hip. Watch your fucking hip hop. I ain't playing with these niggas. Knock them out they fucking stock. When they hit them still coming, then they running out them socks. These niggas don't want it. These niggas flip flop. Use a can last summer. Now you on that jet shit. You ain't on it, nigga. You a bitch, nigga. Play with me. I leave you in the grave. You a snitch, nigga. You ain't on it cause I told them fucking figures. Leave you in the ground, niggas. They ain't on it. I let that whole round go. Niggas ain't on it. Number 9 like Rondo. And I keep that nigga and I get that 12 gauge go. I don't give a fuck. These niggas ain't on it and these niggas promo. They ain't on it how I'm on it. I rap this beat like you into me. I ain't playing with no niggas. Y'all ain't ending me. Cause my career started while your shit just farted. Now you taking you to shit.